glue storage is key to having great retention for your clients and also bringing your clients back.
First of all, always make sure that it's Forabeli glue, or that's your first problem.
You want to make sure it is in the bag it came with, and you want to make sure it is closed tightly.
So we are going to shake for a couple of minutes our glue just to make sure that it's not gooey, it's sticky.
Wipe it with a lint-free wipe after each use.
Make sure you burp it every single time before use.
Replace your glue dot every 30 to 40 minutes. Keep your temperature and humidity in the range recommended for your glue.
And seal it on our vacuum sealer container where you can store up to 3.
You also want to remember to keep this little container out of direct sunlight or extreme temperature changes.